I think the success in my work is pretty much due to the training and due to the exposures that I got here and due to the challenges that I had here. And contributing to the public health is probably one of the best ways you can hope to contribute. My background is mathematical, so I have a master's degree in applied mathematics. And when I was looking into the PhD studies, I wanted to find something that will be using mathematical machinery, will be something that will be very useful and hopefully will have a potential to contribute to society.
You'd need to model it with a nonlinear model, and that would take a huge number of parameters to get there.
And the third component for me was very important is actually the advisor among people that I know, the person to work with, because that's kind of probably 60–70% of the success if you can choose the right advisor.
So here what we have is two estimates pretty much.
So my research was in the area of clinical trials, and it was dealing with the design and analysis of clinical trials, and more specifically with the early stage trials. So those are typically trials that are dealing with a small number of participants, 20, 30, 40. And one of the questions we were trying to address is how we can in optimal way obtain information about the relationship of the dose levels of the treatment under investigation and the response of the patient.
And that's going to give us this information about
information on this end.
Well, statistics is the science of data collection and data analysis. And it uses very high-level mathematical techniques and computational techniques. Well, Zerer was a wonderful student, and I was attracted to him to take him as a doctoral student initially because of his really strong background in applied mathematics. I think when he came to the statistics department, we needed to teach him more about the applied aspects of statistics, data analysis, and statistical computing, but applied to a very important problem in clinical medicine.
The most important thing I learned here is that you learn how to deal with the problem. And you learn it from people basically. You learn their creative approach, their way of thinking, and this kind of becomes building blocks in your brain. When you see a new problem, you kind of subconsciously bring all this knowledge ahead, and the exposure challenges and trainings that I got here allowed me to be able to deal with the challenges in the real world.